Hey, what's up, class? This is Martin Tellez, and I am doing the Venus report for GLG 105. Found a Venus song. So, here we are. We'll talk about Venus's location. As you can see up here, it's the second planet from the Sun. In early February, Venus is positioned very low in the western evening sky after sunset. And Venus is orbiting the Sun every 224.7 days, and it has the longest rotation period of any of the planets. Next, we'll talk about Venus's structure. And as you can see here, it's made up of the metallic core, the crust, sulfuric acid, carbon dioxide atmosphere, the rocky mantle. And moving on to the next slide, we have Venus's atmosphere and the surface. So the gravity is 0.9 of Earth, and you can see the dunks on Venus compared to Earth, so I thought that was a cool picture here. There is volcanoes on Venus. There's lava. It's pretty much inhospitable. Let's see here. So the atmosphere is hot and thick, and you would not survive a visit. You couldn't breathe the air. Um, it's covered with thick clouds, and it sometimes looks like a bright star early in the morning. The metal core, it's not known if the core is solid or not. There is no magnetic field on Venus. And what I find the fascinating fact about Venus here is the strange Venus bulge. As you can see, this bulge here. They say it is a massive gravity wave. They don't really know exactly what it is. Here's a picture of it rotating. I found that pretty fascinating. And next up, we have my references. Please take a look at them, and I recommend watching this YouTube video. It's about the bulge of Venus if you get a chance. Thank you.